there pilots, drone nerds and UAV enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just getting started with drones or you've been flying for a while, today we're digging into a critical topic that keeps us all safe and compliant. Air risk assessment. Let's get into it. An air risk assessment helps you evaluate the likelihood of your drone coming into conflict with other aircraft. It's one of the core pillars of operational safety, especially if you're applying the SORA methodology, or Specific Operations Risk Assessment. The first step, establishing your initial air risk class, or ARC. This is a measure of how busy the airspace is where you'll be flying. Start by looking at the airspace classification. In the UK, this could be anything from Class G, uncontrolled, to Class D or Class A, where ATC has a direct hand in traffic management. Knowing where you're flying is the foundation. Next, consider your traffic density. A quiet rural area is very different from a corridor near a general aviation airfield. You'll need to assess how likely it is that crewed aircraft could be sharing the space. Then there's the type of operation. Are you flying VLOS within visual line of sight or going BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight? BVLOS typically carries a higher air risk and you'll need stronger mitigations in place. Once you've got your initial ARC, you can start applying strategic mitigations. These are things that you plan before the flight to reduce risk, like airspace segregation, geo-awareness tools, or time-based deconfliction. If you're flying in controlled airspace, coordination with ATC is essential. Even with mitigations, your ARC may remain high without integration. That brings us to tactical measures. Tactical mitigations are things you do during the flight. This could include a visual observer calling out intruding traffic, or using tech-based detect and avoid DAA systems. For higher risk environments, particularly BVLOS, ATC integration might be required. This could mean real-time coordination with controllers or even having a flight plan approved and monitored. Once you've applied all these mitigations, both strategic and tactical, you'll reach your final ARC. This gives you a clear, risk-rated foundation for your operation and helps determine what operational safety objectives you need to meet. And remember, a proper air risk assessment isn't just ticking boxes. It's about ensuring everyone in the sky and on the ground stays safe. Whether you're flying VLOS or pushing into advanced BVLOS territory, knowing your ARC and applying the right mitigations is key. If this helped clear things up, give us a like, drop a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more pro drone tips. Until next time, fly smart, fly safe.